In this video, we're going to be talking about a crazy deal on the OnePlus 9 Pro. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys had a great Thanksgiving if you celebrate that. I really hope you guys had some good food, family and friends around and all that. But we have an amazing deal right here, and this is coming by way of phonearena.com. So if you guys want to read the article on your own time, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And also, if you guys want to buy the phone, I'll leave a link to that as well. So as you guys can see, it says, although the device came out last year, it's still a great buy in 2022, particularly for those who want top tier specs at a palatable price. The OnePlus 9 Pro flaunts a beautiful 6.7 inch screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz for fluid animations, and it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, which is still fast by today's standards. It's really, really good. This is a flagship processor right here. It's not the Snapdragon like Gen 1 or anything, but beautiful processor inside of here. You're going to be able to play any game on this device, any emulator. It says the phone features a Hasselblad branded camera system, and it produces striking knockout photos and handles most lighting conditions quite well. I've actually talked to some people that have owned this device, and they really like the photos on this device. So you guys are going to have no issues in that department right there. It says the phone packs a 4500 milliamp battery, which will easily last you through a day, and it can be replenished quickly thanks to a 65 watt fast wired charging and a 50 watt wireless charging. The phone comes with the charger, which isn't something that can be said about a lot of phones in 2022. So that's nice that it comes with that charger, and we have an insane charging rate on this device as well. So for you power beasts out there, if you need a phone to charge up quick, or if you need a big battery, you may want to look at this phone. It also says the device has a refined, seamless design, and I'll pop a picture of it right there. It actually looks pretty good. Really, really sexy phone. And it says it even has a physical ringer switch that lets you switch between a ringer, vibration, and silent mode. So anybody going from Apple to Android, this may be a feature that you guys are used to, and this is going to be on here. I think it's always great to have a physical button like that. It also says the phone is better now than it was at launch thanks to price cut and meaningful software updates. The newer OnePlus 10 Pro is more expensive and only offers a slightly bigger battery, a higher resolution front camera, and a newer chipset. If you're not the type of person that chases specs and are more concerned with a day-to-day performance and value for money, the OnePlus 9 Pro is perfect for you. The 256GB model, which was $1,069 at launch and retails for $799 these days, is down to $449 at Best Buy, meaning you will get to save $350. So insane stuff right here. They do have a tiny bit of bloatware on these devices. Obviously the UI is going to be a little skinned, but I like OnePlus's Oxygen UI. It has a few different features that we saw on the new N300, the N20, and N10, like that little sidebar that you get all those tools and widgets and stuff, which I think is pretty cool. But I think for most people, if you guys are familiar with Android devices, you know, if your mom wants to upgrade, if you want to upgrade, or someone in your family wants to upgrade, and they are an Android user, this is a beautiful piece of technology right here that you guys are going to be able to use for years to come because of the chipset and the updates and everything like that. So beautiful price at $449. I think this knocks it out of the park, honestly. One of the best Black Friday deals I've seen in a while. But let me know what you guys think about this device. I think $449 is an excellent price. If you guys have this device, let people know in the comment section down below if you enjoy it or don't enjoy it. Go ahead and do so. But this has been Stefan from TechRight. Have a great day, everyone. Peace out, Tech Gang.